We are very close to launching our first online course, which is going to be focused around synthesis and sound design. These are small online classes that last around 16 weeks with a weekly 1 or 2 hour lesson with me, your tutor. But this is where we need your help. We get a lot of students from around the world, but it can be difficult planning out lesson times to fit within multiple time zones. And this is where you come in. We've created a survey so you can help us work out the best lesson times for you. Simply select the times that work for you and let us know if we missed out on any slots as well. You'll see it's divided into 3 big sections: North America, Europe, and Australia and New Zealand. But you can choose times which are outside of your location if they suit you better too. And as a reward for completing this survey, you will get our Mega Drum Sample Pack. This is a sample pack that contains all the audio files from all of the Track Analysis video series, which are samples basically from the most popular artists out there from the recreations I've made, as well as some of my own personal samples too. Plus, you will also get a 25% off code for our first round of online courses in our sound design and synthesis course. Plus, for any Ableton Live users, you can download our new plugin called 26K Resam. It's essentially just a simple downsampling and bit crushing plugin designed for subtle downsampling effects to mimic some of the classic samplers. And just to show you what it does, let's show a few examples of it here. So I originally designed this for drums, so I'm going to put it across this drum group here. This is what it sounds like before. And with it turned on, you get a few different options. You can either set the sample rate to 26,000 or 13,000. And let's just try it out in this 26,000. If you're not already listening to this on headphones, because you'll hear a very slight difference, and all it's going to do is really just soften some of the very, very high frequencies. This drum loop that we're listening to here is actually from the latest Track Analysis video, Unconditional, and it's already been processed quite a lot, but it works really well on unprocessed, very bright hi-hats. Just takes some of the edge off them. Looking at this in a frequency analyzer, you'll see just adds that very small amount of high frequency content. This plugin was kind of made to be based off the SP1200 sampler, which used to run at 26K, and the bit depth has also been reduced to 12-bit too. Plus, one of the ways that people used to use that sampler is they would drive the volume into the sampler, clip some of the signal in order to get rid of some of the noise that comes with the 12-bit depth. So I added this in the drive here. It's really just some simple hard clipping, but it works quite well. Let's try 13K. I'd recommend to keep it on this 26 if you're putting it across your drums, but let's try it on something a little bit different, like this bass sound here. And then finally, we've also got a lead at the end here. I really just made it because a lot of the time when I load up something like Redux in Ableton, it always takes me a little bit of time to get this nice kind of very subtle downsampling effect. So I just thought I'd make a plugin of it with a few little added features too. Plus, the presets from this video will also be in the sample pack that comes after completing the survey too. So head to the link in the description below. It's a really big help for us and it's all free. It should only take around about 2 minutes, but hopefully we should be able to get the best lesson times for all of you around the world. Plus, if this is the first video you've seen, go and check out some more of the content on the channel, because we do a lot more music production content, tutorials, and our track analysis series. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.